Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this vlog I'm going to make some steak. Let me make sure what the name is called. It is called boneless beef chuck arm steaks thin cut. As long as it's a steak, that's all I need to know. So I got my steak here already. I'm making two of them. So I'm just gonna go rinse it off real quick. Okay, that's much better. That's how it looks after rinsing it off. So while I make that, I also got some veggies, because if you know me, you know I love veggies. So I'm gonna be having some spinach, tomatoes, and carrots on the side. So yeah, yummy in my tummy, honey. But yeah, I just been really craving steak lately. For a person that don't really like steak, I've been craving it, which is weird. So no, I'm not pregnant. I never got a man. I never got a man to be pregnant, y'all. But so we're gonna season this steak first. While we do that, we're gonna heat up the stove. Pour a little bit olive oil. Yeah. Ooh. I feel like the camera needs to like be backed up a little bit more. Is that better? I guess. So we got our oil in the pan. I got my veggies here. First, I'm gonna season. I'm gonna add some of course, some salt. I'm gonna add some salt. And I put it in a bowl because I want to like just get it all together, you know. And then I'm gonna use I'm gonna add some onion powder because I ran out of onions, y'all. And y'all know I love onions. If you know me, you know I love onions, and I ran out of onions. But I got the powder, so I'm gonna use the powder, whatever. Then I have some garlic powder. You gotta add your garlic. And then we're gonna add just a little bit of garlic and herb seasoning. That's how it looks like. One thing about me, like I just wanna smell everything. If you know, you know. You know, all this oiling up. Let me lower it down a little. Some oregano leaves. Why not? And we're gonna mix it up. This is how it looks, as you guys can see. But I'm gonna mix it all together. So now I'm gonna put it in the oil. Just gently, because they're big. So I put it in the pan. I'm just gonna move this around. And I'm gonna cook it on low. Well, not low, like medium. I'm gonna cook it on medium temp. And then I'm gonna use this bowl. The bowl that I just had for the steak, I'm gonna use this for the veggies after cutting it. So I can just dump it in there. So we're gonna start with our veggies. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna need the light to like stop moving around. Like, what's the point of that? Stop moving around. Add a little bit of oil. And yeah, I'm the type, like, when I'm cooking and stuff, I clean as I'm going. Like, I don't wait until the end. Yeah, it smells good already. This already smells good. I can just tell. I'm gonna cut the carrots. Like, they're a good size, but I just want it a little smaller so it doesn't take longer to cook. You know, carrots take a little bit. Unless, like, you're boiling it. If you're boiling it, that's different. But I'm not trying to boil it, so. I like it like this. Like, literally. Like this. That's it. This steak because I'm pouring on me. Flip it real quick. Ooh, Lord. Okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna just cut this onion. I love onions so much. I said onions. Yeah. It's crazy. Next, I'm gonna cut the tomatoes. My oil is on it. Yeah, I cannot wait to eat. I'm literally starving. Maybe I'll add a little bit more, just a little more. I know y'all probably want to see me cutting it, but I don't want to keep moving this camera around. And the spinach, we're not gonna cut the spinach. We're gonna just leave it like this and just throw it in there because cut it for what? What do you need to cut a spinach for? It's gonna go down. It's gonna soak all the way down anyways. Whatever the word is I'm trying to say. So this tomato, I'm gonna put it back in the refrigerator because maybe you don't want to leave it out. Some eggs sound good too. But right now everything just sounds good. So I'm gonna just stick it. So we're gonna put the tomato first, and then the carrot. I'm gonna show you how everything looks. Give me a second. Done with it. Get up. Okay. I like my steak all the way cooked. I don't want to see no blood. I don't want to see any wet. So now I'm gonna season the carrots and tomatoes. So I'm gonna put some salt in it. Then I'm gonna add some ground cinnamon. And of course the garlic seasoning. I'm gonna make sure this don't burn on me, honey. Not on a YouTube video. It's almost done anyway, so. So good. I've been craving for this stuff. But then I'm gonna add some parsley. I like my parsley cooked and uncooked. And my cilantro. I'll eat it both. I'll eat it either way. Now I'm gonna let the carrots cook a little bit. I'm just medium as well. Because I want to cook it early, you know. Ooh, my battery's dying. Oh my god, I gotta hurry up. Darn it. Yeah, my battery's about to die, so I need to hurry up. Like, it's literally like... So I'm gonna put the spinach in. And I'm gonna turn the camera off. And then I'm gonna just show you the result because I'm basically done. I'm gonna show you how it looks right now first. And then I'm gonna show you the result. So yeah, the camera ended up dying, sadly. But my steak is done, so I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna plate it up. It looks so good. I'm gonna just cut one for now. If I want more, I'm gonna eat more. I like my steak with I like the fat on my steak. So don't take the fat off when I come around. I have to take a bite. I just have to take a bite. I just gotta take a bite. I can't wait. And it has a little fat too. I don't know if y'all can see it, but why am I still single? I don't know. I should be taken. I should be taken right now. Let me plate her out and I'm gonna show it to you guys. So this is how it looks, you guys. Should I pick the camera up? So I got my carrot with spinach in there, my steak here, and I put half of avocado. Let me pick the camera up so you guys can see it real good, baby. I get in the kitchen when I feel like it. So y'all, this is my plate. We got the carrot and the spinach here. I got half of avocado and I just cut it into small pieces. And then I got my steak. You can see all the seasonings. It looks so good. Baby, I'm about to eat. I'm ready to eat. So you guys, my camera ended up dying. Ugh. This is the phone camera, but anyway, it is what it is. I'm still a pretty girl. Just the color is bad. But now I'm about to start eating. As I can see, well, hopefully I can see very well. And yeah, I already tasted the steak, so I know it's good. But let me taste it for you guys. That's what it makes me want to do. Oh my god. Okay, the carrot. Bro, get out of here, bro. Oh my god. And we know how avocado tastes. Like me went. Like me nanny. Oh. This is why I don't do TikTok dance. I can't dance. Yeah, I cannot dance for shit. So y'all, like, it's me. Are you surprised? Are you surprised? And I'm starving, so I'm about to finish this plate. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my cooking video today, I guess you could say. But like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm probably gonna be watching a movie and finishing my plate. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.